Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to make some amazing honey garlic thighs in the crock pot. This is a super easy to make recipe, but before we get going, can you take a moment to subscribe to the channel? That way you have the most up-to-date notifications. Now that we have that out of the way, let's get going with the recipe. For the recipe, you will need the following items: 1.5 pounds of chicken thighs, 1 cup of ketchup, half a cup of honey, 1 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of dried basil, and then towards the end, if you want to thicken the sauce up, you can use 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and 1/4 cup of water. And then we'll also need some salt and pepper just for taste. Okay, first thing we're gonna do, get our chicken thighs, and we're gonna lay them in the crock pot. Next thing we're gonna do, add salt and pepper. Next, in a bowl or measuring cup, we are going to add the following items: 1 cup of ketchup, 1 cup of soy sauce, half cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of dry basil, 'Once you have this all together, whisk it into a bowl. Once you have the mixture whisked together, we want to pour it over all the chicken. Make sure everything's nice and covered. And then what we're going to do is we're going to cook on low for 3 to 4 hours. At the 3-hour mark, if you want to thicken the sauce, we're going to whisk together some cornstarch and water in a small bowl. Then we'll stir it into the crock pot during the last 30 minutes. Hey guys, so we're back here. So we're going to actually put in the cornstarch and water. So we have 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and we're going to add it to the water, which is 1/4 cup of water. And we're just going to mix this into So what this is going to do is thicken up the sauce for the chicken. Okay, just going to pop this lid off. And as you can see, those are cooking up really good too. So we're just going to pop that in there, and I am just going to kind of mix this around in here with it. And then we will put the lid back on and just let that cook away. Okay, we're back. Now we're ready to serve. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and that way you're provided with the latest content as it comes out. Until the next video, have a great day.